I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to show you how to fix cracks in your concrete blocks using polyurethane caulk. For this, we need a caulking gun, your polyurethane caulk, and a razor blade. The first thing you want to do is remove about 1/4 inch off the tip at an angle. That way you have a nice smooth cut that'll allow quite a bit of caulk to come through. Next, I'm going to squeeze just a little bit of caulk out here, so that way we get it right to the tip. And then, starting in the joint, go ahead and just fill the entire thing up. Now what I like to do is take my finger and kind of work that caulk into the crack and just help smooth it out a little bit. Now I like to take and just dab it back and forth across the wet caulk, because this will help blend it into the center block. And there you have it. One of the nice things about this is it is paintable, so after you get all your repairs done, you can throw a coat of paint on there after about 24 hours. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just discussed how to repair your concrete blocks with polyurethane caulk. Thanks for watching, and good luck with this project.